Good morning, Adhya.
Ma'am.
Today we have Adhya Marupudi, now who at the end of her level 2 program, she's going to do a demo. And the demo that she's chosen is the addition of a triple digit number, that is 107. And this she takes till which length, Adhya?
50.
Okay, till 50, but you can explore more, right? I believe that. Yes. So here goes Adhya, right now in grade 2. And
107, 214,
yes,
321, 428, 535, 642, 749, 856, 963, 1070, 1177, 1284, 138, 13891, 1498, 1605, 1712, 1819, 226, 2033, 2140, 22547, 2354,
right.
2461,
Good.
2568, 2675, 27882, 292889,
Right.
29996,
Right.
31033210, 3317, 3424, 3531, 3638, 3745, 3852, 3959, 3 no 4 4 4 4 4066, 4173,
Right.
41280, 4387, 4494, 4601, 4708,
Very good.
4815, 49122,
Right.
5029,
Right.
5136, 5243, 5350,
Right.
5457, 5564, 5771, 5778, 5885, 595992,
Yes.
60999,
Yes. Very good.
662 6206.
Right. Very good.
6313. 6420.
Right.
6527. 6634. And then 6741.
Right.
848.
Right.
955.
Very good.
7062. 7169. 77276.
Right.
And 7383. 7490. 75997.
Right.
7704.
Right. Very good.
7811.
Right.
7918.
Right.
8025.
Very good. Yes.
8132. 8239.
Very good.
83 8346.
Right.
8453. 8560.
Right.
8667.
Right.
8773. 74.
Right.
8 8881.
Right.
8988.
Right.
9095.
Right.
92. 9202.
Right.
9309.
Right. Very good.
89416. 89523. 9630. 9737.
Right.
844.
Very good.
9951.
Right.
100. 558.
Yes. Yes. Very good.
10165.
Right.
10272.
Right.
10379.
Right.
104886.
Right.
10593.
Right.
10700.
Right. So that was still 100. And you had started doing it with 50 lengths, but you see, you could do it till 100 without any kind of rehearsal or anything, right? So that is it. So if you know it, you can do it. Good girl. So you happy?
Yeah.
Good, good. Thank you, Sid. Thank you, thank you.